A landmark moment in the India-US ties as both countries have inked a deal worth whopping $3 billion, the largest in the history of defense deals in India. My colleague Srinjoy Chaudhary had the opportunity to speak with US-based General Atomics Global Corp top boss, Dr. Vivek Lal, on what this deal means for both sides and the expected delivery of the much-anticipated Sky and Sea Guardians. Listen in.
It's really an honor for me to see that both countries came together in this G2G deal for 31 MQ-9Bs, and the LOA was signed on that. These are the world's best large military platforms for a whole host of operational uses, but certainly it's got high altitude, long endurance, and all sorts of capabilities from that can cover not only landmass but also the oceans. And we've had two aircraft in India that have been performing various missions for the Indian Navy.
They were on lease.
Those were on lease. And so I think all three services saw the great benefits of these platforms and the capability of these platforms, not only over water but over land. So we're very proud of this product, and the adoption is worldwide, and several countries have already contracted for this. And I think this enables not only the platform, but it enables the relationship between the India and government and the U.S. government at many strategic levels. And also it enables Indian industry, whether large, medium or small, or the startup community, to be part of that ecosystem.
Also, you know about India and Atmanirbharata. Now, while we are spending $3 billion buying this, is there something that you're doing in India, a repair center, which not only India will benefit from, but other countries as well?
Absolutely. We are setting up an MRO, a maintenance repair overhaul facility in India, so that these birds, for the lifetime of the birds, which has that capability very much in India. 10 of them will be in flyaway condition, 21 will have final assembly in India. So other than those aspects, we have started doing component manufacturing. The MRO piece, of course, will be going to a whole host of private and public sector companies to help in that ecosystem.
This is India's biggest defense deal in decades, I think. Now tell me, when are the first birds, as you call them, finally coming here? When does the Navy or the Air Force or the Army get the first birds?
So India is, it's a G2G deal that has been negotiated between the Indian government and the US government. And we hope to see those birds soon flying in the Indian skies to support overland as well as overseas.